The holiday season is here as folks move away from Halloween and start blasting their Christmas playlists. As the world transitions from one holiday to the next, many are noticing how early we start rolling out our winter decorations. Coffee places like Starbucks, Dunkin, and Peet's Coffee kick off the season with comforting holiday cups to brighten up the holiday season and kick people out of the winter blues. But the more popular these holiday cups grew, there had to be an effort to make the phenom more inclusive. In 2015, Starbucks decided to celebrate this universal holiday by moving away from celebrating just Christmas. 6 years later, and not only did they add lilac into their color scheme to represent a snowy, wintry feel, but they also created 4 new holiday cups. One looks like wrapping paper, another has strings of ribbon, one represents a candy cane, and their 4th cup has Starbucks in bold letters written all over. Starbucks even added a gift tag on their cups to make giving these holiday drinks to others more convenient and special. What are your thoughts on holiday cups? Do you have any favorite holiday incentives? Let us know in the comments.